Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to use Trello to plan out your blog's content step by step. So first of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, simply search for trello.com, and here you need to sign up with the help of your Google account. So this will be your dashboard, where the first thing that you need to do is to simply create your board. So here you need to give your board a title. So since you want to do it for your blog, simply you can type something like blog content planner. After that, for the visibility, you can make it workspace, private or public. For the sake of this video, I'm going to keep it as it is and click on the option of create. So this is your main hub for all of the blog ideas and the tasks. So in the second step, you need to set up the list for the workflow. So here you can add different types of lists, like we have the to do, but since it is a blog, you can add ideas, and after that you can just add another list for researching, one for writing, one for editing, and one for making publishing or something else. So this way every blog post moves through a clear pipeline from like idea to the final finish. Now under the list, you need to add the cards for each topic that you want to cover. For example, in the ideas, you can type something like this title, which can be how to monetize a blog in 2025. Now, inside each card, you need to add the checklist for research, for outline, draft, SEO, publishing your steps. You can also use the labels here. So if you click on any of the cards, you can click on the option of labels. Here you can give the labels like tech, lifestyle, finance in order to group out your post, and you can also add the due dates to keep a consistent posting schedule. For example, like let's say I gave this particular label to this title, so it should look something like this. Now if you are working with a team, you can also assign members to the tasks like editing and graphic designing, but if you are solo, Trello still keeps you accountable and organized. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.